This is the G-Amp 40 watt multi-effect amplifier with a 10-inch speaker. This amp is extremely versatile and can be used for any guitar situation, whether it be for live performances, studio recordings, practice sessions, and even busking or street performances. This amp is the perfect solution for guitarists who want an all-in-one amp that sounds great and has multiple different effects but can also sound good recorded and play really loud and clear for live performances. Speaking of effects, this amp comes fully loaded with all the popular usable effects. Instead of putting effects that no one will use in the studio or for live performances, we carefully pick the best sounding effects that will add to your guitar playing. There is a 3-band bass, treble, and mid EQ so that you can precisely dial in the best sound of your guitar and pickups. Now the effects knob allows you to choose between 4 different effects of chorus, flanger, phaser, and tremolo, and each effect can be mixed for more or less depending on where you place the knob. Next to the effect knob, there is our delay and reverb knob, which allows you to either mix in delay or reverb and also set the intensity depending on where we set the knob. Now you can use any of the effects or the reverb and delay on the clean channel, which has the green LED indicator, or you can click this button on the amp over here for the overdrive mode and get a little distortion. You can also trigger the overdrive and clean channel with our included foot pedal that plugs right into the back of the amp. So if you're in the middle of a song, it is very easy to change between the 2 channels just by hitting the foot switch. There is a volume knob for the guitar itself to control the level of the guitar coming into the clean channel on the amp, and there's a separate gain and volume knob for the overdrive channel just to give you more control of the overdrive sound. Now on top of the delay reverb effect, there is also a reverb volume knob that controls another built-in spring reverb effect. This reverb knob adjusts the reverb level on both the overdrive and clean channels. Now a super cool feature on the G-Amp 40 is the 1/4-inch microphone channel over here that has its own mic volume knob and echo effect. So if you're performing at a coffee house or busking on the street with this amp, you'll be able to play your guitar as well as singing through a microphone and control the level of the echo to get your voice sounding awesome live. On top of that, we included both USB and SD card inputs so that you can play backing tracks or your favorite songs to jam to through the amp while you also play your guitar. The LCD display features a Bluetooth module so you can connect your phone or laptop to the amp through Bluetooth and play backing tracks or songs from Spotify or YouTube while you play along on your guitar. This is a great feature for performers or even if you just want to get better and practice with your favorite songs. Speaking of practice, if you ever want to practice with your guitar and effects but don't want to make too much noise, there is a 1/4-inch headphone jack that you can plug your headphones into and listen to everything coming through the amp while you keep the amp volume low. And of course, there is a master volume knob to control the level of everything like your guitar, mic, and Bluetooth device that's coming through the amp. As you can see, the G-Amp 40 is an incredibly versatile amp that is going to become your go-to amp whether you are a live performer, a studio musician, or just starting out and trying to get better. So if you're looking for a 40-watt multi-effect guitar amplifier, look no further than the G-Amp 40 from Rockville.